straight ahead. There's nothing but blue sky.
What up, peeps? Welcome to another episode of Next Friday. Now this week, we have a special guest with us, young Jasmine. Jasmine, how are you?
I'm good.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Wow. So Jazz, as she's more affectionately called, is here with us in Jamaica. And Jazz, you're visiting from Canada.
Yes.
Wow. So Jazz, first of all, how has Jamaica been so far?
It's pretty exciting. It's fun.
Yeah? Is it your first time in Jamaica?
I came when I was a baby, so I don't really remember anything,
remember
but
that.
other than that.
Yeah. So Jazz is actually a singer, author, actress. What? Look here, man. Jazz have a whole heap of things going on for her, and Jazz is only 9 years old. Am I correct?
Yes.
Wow. So Jazz, tell me, at age 9, how you do so much something?
Well, I started singing when I was 3, and then during COVID, I started focusing more on that.
Yeah.
And also during COVID, I started acting.
Wow.
So then I got further into acting, and me and my mom were like, what if we write a book for people with quotes in them so they can feel good about themselves?
Mommy, I pressure our brain. At 9, so the book is complete?
Yes, it has like daily quotes.
Okay, cool. What's the book titled?
It's called My Journal. It has daily quotes, daily quotes that make you feel good about yourself.
Nice.
And there's a writing part where you could write how your day went or how you want your day to go. Okay,
so these quotes, you wrote them? Or you and mommy wrote them?
Yes.
Wow, so that's like a diary. I mean, every little girl has a diary. You have a diary?
Yeah. I don't really write in it though.
Oh yeah, you just write the motivational quotes and everybody can get that. And this book is available on Amazon, right?
Yes.
Good. So people, in the bio, in the description, we're going to put where you can find the book. Go and support it. Little Jazmine Jazz is really, wearing some really big hats, motivational quotes, book, author, singer, actress. So in terms of the acting though, what kind of roles you play?
Well, in an upcoming movie, I filmed with MGM Studios.
Nice, that's big.
I played the younger version of the main character. It's about the first female boxer.
Wow. You like boxing?
It was fun because they actually taught me how to box for it.
Yeah.
And I really enjoyed the boxing there.
So, seeing as how that was your first time acting, what was that like though? Were you shy? Were you nervous? What was that like?
Well, there was another kid I was acting with for the first scene I filmed. So we didn't really talk much, but then when we started rehearsing it, we started talking more.
Yeah.
And then for the second scene, there were 2 other kids that played my siblings. So
Okay,
we started
cool.
talking too.
Okay, so you actually made some new friends.
Yes.
Talk to us, Jazz, about, being in Jamaica now. What's this trip all about? It's just vacation or you mixing it with work?
Well, it's a vacation and I'm also mixing it with work. I'm going to be singing at the Poetry Festival.
Right.
I've done a couple.
You remember the date for the Poetry Festival?
August 14th.
Right, so that's the Poetry Festival on August 14th. And it's at AC Hotel where we are right now, so people will come out and come see Little Jazz in concert. She'll be performing live.
I also came for a vacation because my grandparents, my mom, and my dad, they're all from Jamaica. So they wanted me to see where they came from.
Nice. Well, I mean, at least this trip you'll actually remember something because you're a bit older now. So is there anything about Jamaica in particular that you like?
I really like how they just have mangoes there.
Mangoes. what type of mango though? What's your favorite type of mango?
I don't really have a favorite type. I just
Just
eat
all of them.
mango.
Yeah, man. So you don't really fool around mangoes in Canada? You don't have them much there?
We do, but you don't really.
Them not nice like Jamaican mango.
No.
In terms of the music though, Jazz, tell me, how has that been going for you?
It's been going really well because, you know, I really do enjoy singing.
Yeah.
And doing it as like a mini job, it's really fun because I also enjoy singing. So singing is going really good for me. I'm also releasing a new EP, and the first song to come out is called Sing 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 with Bounty on it.
That's right. Big up the warlord, Bounty. So, I mean, some of our viewers don't even know what you sound like, you know, Jazz. Give them something out of one of your songs, them, man. We could hear your voice.
Okay, I'll sing a part of Jimmy Cliff.
All right.
It's gonna be a bright, 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 sunshiny day. Look all around, there's nothing but blue skies. Look straight ahead, there's nothing but blue skies.
Stop right there, so stop right there, so stop right there, so no. People no can't get no more. Come out to the concert, man. No, man. Jazz, where you get that voice from?
I don't know.
Yeah. What?
It's a gift from God.
Because I was going to ask you if mommy can sing too. No. don't answer that, Jazz. I don't want you don't get no supper tonight. No, man, but Jazz, you really sound good. Your vocals are strong.
Thank you.
At only age 9.
Thank you.
How far you want to take the music though? What's your dream?
Well, I plan on singing throughout high school and college, but I do plan on becoming a judge.
A judge. George Jazz. Yeah.
Judge Jasmine.
So how is the school aspect of it going? Because I mean, juggling all these things, Jazz, the singing, the acting, writing journals and books, like how you juggle the schoolwork?
Thank you for asking, but actually my mom manages my schedule. She's the one who makes sure I get enough to eat, I get enough rest. I'm also doing my schoolwork on time. But if I do miss school and I have to go act, there's a tutor on set that will help me with my work.
Yeah.
Although at times I do miss school a bit and my friends.
Your friends, right.
But set is more fun, so.
Yeah, man. So mommy have the whole thing locked, man. Mommy is the manager, manage things.
Momager.
Momager. I've heard that term before. Yes. Apparently it's a young people thing, you know, mommy. But yeah, you just have to work with it. So what is mommy like as a manager now? Because it's mommy, you know, but you have to kind of balance mommy and the business side of things. What's that like?
My mommy is always my mom first. She puts families first, and so do I. She makes sure I'm not tired, I get enough rest. But she is very strict, and if we do stuff bad, we're always threatened with the belt.
That sounds like a mommy. But a good mommy indeed.
Yes.
Indeed. Tell me though, Jazz, working with Bounty Killer though, like not many artists, you know, get to work with Bounty Killer, the great Bounty Killer. What was that like for you, and were you a fan before?
Having him on my song, it's really amazing.
Yeah, nice.
Sing out.
Tune body now.
A big tune.
But Jazz, you meet the hero in person now.
I know.
Just say you are a hero in a Bridget.
Rodney.
He's my hero also.
That's
My
the
little
truth.
hero.
Daddy, let me say. I want to
I started donating for my birthday. I called it the gift of giving because I realized a lot of stuff I had was a want and not in need. So I was donating to Jamaica. So I donated to the Bounty Foundation so Rodney, aka Bounty, could give the stuff I wanted to give to Jamaica to them.
Through his foundation.
Yes.
That's cool, that's cool.
So last year I donated some barrels of clothes, some walkers, canes, wheelchairs to the Bounty Foundation.
Okay, and I know you started the foundation through, well, on your birthday, celebrating your birthday.
Yes.
So for this birthday coming up now, your 10th birthday, you're going to be doing something different.
Yes, I'm going to be giving some dolls and bikes because I'm going to start focusing on kids my age too.
Right, nice.
I'm also doing it through the Bounty Foundation.
Okay, so this is now a relationship with the Bounty Foundation.
Yes.
Yeah, all right, that's cool. Rodney, big up yourself. You guys doing great things through your foundation, and of course, Little Jazz here saw the great works and decided to utilize the Bounty Foundation and donate stuff to Jamaicans who are in need. So that's so nice, Jazz. So nice. But I mean, Jazz, like, how would you describe yourself though? Because you just seem so kind and nice, and most kids run up and down and give trouble sometimes, and I ask mommy if you give trouble though, but that is for mommy, not you. You're not gonna answer that one. But what is jazz like? Like outside of the music, and let's strip away the music and the acting and the school. Just jazz. Like, who is jazz?
Well, outside school, acting, singing, I usually just call with my friends and my cousin and we play video games.
Oh, so you love the video games thing. So you're an indoor person.
Yes.
But when you're in Jamaica, you have to go visit some beaches and stuff, there is a lot to do in Jamaica, and you're going to kind of change your mind from the indoor setting. I know Canada kind of not that conducive to the outdoors. I mean, sometimes it's very cold depending on where you are.
Yes.
Is it cold where you are from?
I'm from Ontario, so at times it's cold, and if it's sunny, we get a few sunny days, but it's just raining most of the time.
How long are you guys going to be in Jamaica for though?
10 days.
10 days, okay. So it's like just getting everything in during those 10 days. Anything you're looking forward to while you're here in Jamaica?
Well, I'm looking forward to see some beaches because in Canada, we don't really have beaches where I'm from. They just have rivers and they put sand there.
Oh, makeshift beach. All right.
I was digging and I saw a net.
Oh, yeah. So you're looking forward to going to the beach and stuff?
Yes.
Young Jazz, obviously loving the Jamaican vibe, and let's talk about some of your inspiration, some of the persons that motivate you, artists, entertainers. You mentioned coffee, you love coffee.
Yes.
Anybody else you like as an artist?
Rodney. Michael Jackson and Katy Perry.
Nice. So you said Michael Jackson, you can dance?
Yes.
You know some Michael Jackson moves and stuff?
I know the moonwalk, but I can't do it.
What are young kids into these days though? Like what kind of dance, what's the interest?
Hip hop.
Hip hop.
It's a nice dance. I did ballet when I was younger. I liked it, but I don't really know why I stopped.
Okay, so that
wasn't working out for me that much.
Well, people, Jazz is so, just have everything under control at the age of 9. It's amazing. It's amazing, Jazz.
Thank you.
And I mean, you want to be a judge when you grow up. I'm sure I'm going to hear about it one day. You're going to actually be a judge. I know it. So how much time you spend on the singing though? Like rehearsals and stuff like that?
45 minutes.
Every
or
day?
More. But I do sing all day. No matter if I'm getting vocal coaching, I'm either humming, singing in my head, or singing out loud.
But me kind of wonder what more coaching you need, because Jazz, the voice, can it get better?
Yes. Always room for improvement.
Definitely. I love your attitude. I love your attitude.
Thank you. I also like Coffee very much because she's a young female singer like me. One of my favorite songs by her was Toast. I did a dance to that song for my
Toast?
aunt's birthday.
Yeah. A dance, you came with your own routine and stuff?
Yes, we had a dancing coach or instructor.
yeah.
Me, my cousin, my other cousin, and my brother.
Okay. Well, I want to see piece of that dance afterwards. That's fine? And mommy can do the dance too? But you have
I
to go
don't
sure.
know.
You have to go sure.
Just recently learned the bounce and the
Oh, say you
Lagodi
did.
Bird.
So you know them, some of the little local dancers know that. Yeah, man, they can't come Jamaica and learn to move. What else you learned since you've been in Jamaica about the culture and the music? Anything else?
That even if you don't know someone, you know them still. I learned that from my mom.
Jamaicans just love each other.
Yeah,
And they
yeah,
always talking, even if they don't know each other, they still talk as if they're
yeah. Yeah,
friends.
man. Like long time them not see and them say, "Oh, I'm Jazz."
Yeah.
For real. But Jazz, really, it was a pleasure having you on next Friday, Jazz. I mean, thank you very much for passing through.
Thank you.
And I hope you enjoy the rest of your stay in Jamaica.
I will, thank you.
All right. Peace out. So, peeps, there you have it. Another exciting episode of Next Friday. Now be sure to go and subscribe, share, like, click the notification bell. Do the thing because you don't want to miss a beat. And remember, next Friday, every Friday. We out.
What?